This is the lineup for Tuesday, November 10th of the Collision Hub World's Fair and Exposition. At 9 a.m. Central, using the Vehicle Owner's Manual. Not only is it a great resource to help us during our blueprinting and estimating process, it's also a fantastic tool to help better communicate with our customers, and we'll be sharing some tips with you on how to do that. Then at 11:30, documenting ADAS Made Easy and the launch of a brand new company called ADAS Think. Oftentimes, calibration and aiming procedures get overlooked during that estimating and blueprinting process. This tool is designed to help make sure that you don't do that in the future. Then at 2:30, scan process and documentation from Opus IVS and the launch of another new product, ScanSafe from Opus IVS. Don't forget, everything is free. We'll be simulcast on LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, and available for playback later at YouTube. Looking forward to seeing you.